Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send and get automated WhatsApp message to Instagram lead ads using Pabbly Chatflow. So here, as an owner of a business, I am using Instagram lead ads to promote my business and to generate the leads. My objective is that as soon as I am going to receive a new lead, when the lead is going to visit my ad campaign and submit the lead gen form, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead, and also a notification should be received to myself on my WhatsApp as a lead alert with all the details of that same lead. To automate this entire process, I will have to build a connection between Instagram lead ads and WhatsApp, and for sending and receiving the WhatsApp messages, here I am going to use Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to enhance my communication and conversation with all my leads. Now, to automate this entire process, I am going to actually build a connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to send and receive WhatsApp messages for new Instagram leads. So here, as an owner of a digital marketing agency, I am using Instagram lead ads to generate the leads and to promote my business. And here I have already connected my Instagram account with Facebook page on which I am running my ad campaign. Also, I am using lead gen form to generate the leads and to receive the details of the leads. So for that, here I am running an ad campaign by using Instagram lead ads on Meta Ads Manager. Now here my objective is that as soon as for my digital marketing agency, I am receiving a new lead through Instagram lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead. Also, a WhatsApp message should be received to me on my WhatsApp as a notification alert with all the details of that same lead. To automate this entire process, here I am going to set up the connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing application which is going to help me to enhance the communication with my leads by sending automated WhatsApp messages and also receiving WhatsApp messages automatically along with the details of each of the lead with the help of templates. So we are going to automate this entire process by setting up the connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let's get started for that. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. Also, you can access Pabbly Chatflow from here as well. So you can click on access now to log in. But because I'm already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow dashboard, so I'm going to currently click on access now for Pabbly Connect. As we have done that, now it is going to take us towards the dashboard of our Pabbly Connect account. On the dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created, and to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Send and get automated WhatsApp message to Instagram leads using Pabbly Chatflow. After giving the name, I'm going to select the folder. So the automation which I'm going to create currently is for WhatsApp marketing. So here I've selected the folder which I have decided for that, and now I'm going to click on create. As I have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows, trigger and action. Basically, we have to fill up the windows in order to complete our automation successfully. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and also I should receive the WhatsApp notification as an alert with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, I'm going to take Instagram lead ads and trigger and Pabbly Chatflow in my action step. So when we are going to set up the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, response. That means when the lead will be received through Instagram lead ads, then only WhatsApp message will be sent and will be received to me, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application as Instagram lead ads. Then we have to select the trigger event that will be new lead instant. As we want that as soon as a new lead will be received through Instagram lead ads, automatically the response should be captured and that too instantly. Now our objective is to build the connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect. For that, you can see I'm already running an ad campaign on Meta Ads Manager. This is for Instagram lead ads. And also this ad campaign is connected with my Facebook page. And my Instagram account is also connected with Facebook page. On this page, I'm running an ad campaign. Okay, so here now I'm going to click on connect. To connect my Instagram lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, I am already logged into my Instagram account, my Facebook page, and also on Meta Ads Manager. Now, you also have to keep in mind to keep logging to these applications before building this connection, because it is going to make the connection process simple and easier. In case if you already have an existing connection, you can go with that. I'm going to show you how to build a new connection. For that, I've clicked on this add new connection button. We'll click on connect with Instagram lead ads. Here we'll click on continue as our account is detected because I was already logged in. And now here we can see that our authorization has become successful. The connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect is built. So now first of all, we have to select the page on which page you are running your ad campaign. So this is my Facebook page on which I'm running my ad campaign. The name of the page is Digital Dynamics. I'm going to select the same, Digital Dynamics. Then we have to select the lead gen form. By using which lead gen form you want to generate the lead. So here this is my new lead form. I'm going to select it and now we are going to turn the simple response button on. We'll click on save and send test request button and here we are waiting for the response to be captured. Our default response is already received. So now when we will do a test submission, we will be receiving the response. How we are going to do that test submission? By submitting a new lead. Now, as the campaign which I'm running is a test campaign, I'm not running any live campaign. So I could not send the response of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect. Therefore, I'm using lead ads testing tool, which I have opened with the help of Meta for developers. And with the help of this lead ads testing tool, I'm going to test my connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect by selecting my Facebook page. So here the name of my Facebook page is Digital Dynamics. I'm going to select the same. Also the form is selected, but because I'm using an existing form, so I will have to delete the existing lead which I have with it because we can send one lead per form. Alright, so the lead is deleted. Now I'm going to refresh my page. As we have done that, once again I will select the Facebook page and the form is selected. So I'm going to open the form. And as the form is open, basically this is a contact form which we have to submit in order to receive the response in Pabbly Connect. So when the client is going to visit my ad campaign, they are going to submit this form. I'm going to receive the response of that client with all the details. So then I'm going to connect with them and also I'm going to receive the details of this client as a WhatsApp alert. Now here let's suppose this is the service for which the client is interested, social media management. We have the contact time. We have the name, let's say new lead. Let's say the email is new@pabblytudes.com. Let's say the phone number of this lead is, and let's say the company is ABC. I'm going to submit the form quickly. As the form is submitted, now I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect. We will wait for the response for a few seconds. And the response is captured. In the response, we have received all the details. So let's start reading them one by one. First of all, we have the type of service. We have the contact time, name, email address, phone number, and the company name. This means our connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect is built. And now every time a new lead is going to be received through Instagram lead ads, we are going to receive the response of that lead. Our objective is to send a WhatsApp message first of all to this lead with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, let's go towards our action step and let us select Pabbly Chatflow as our action application. Then we have to select the action event that will be send template message. Let's click on connect. You have to build the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. But before that, your account of Pabbly Chatflow should be set up. To set that account, you have to go towards add WhatsApp number. To add your WhatsApp number over here, you have to enter these details. Meta access token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID. And you are going to receive these details when you will create your WhatsApp Cloud API account. You will generate your permanent access token. And if you want to learn how to create your WhatsApp Cloud API account, you want to learn how to generate permanent access token and how to set up your Pabbly Chatflow, then already a tutorial is created on our YouTube channel. It is already uploaded and you can also watch it from here directly. My account is already set up, so I'm going to go back I'm going to show you how to build a new connection. For that, we'll select add new connection and we have to provide the token. To get this token, from the left side here we have settings option, and over here you can see we have the option of API and webhooks. We have to copy the API token from here and we have to paste it over here. Now let's click on save. As we have done that, the connection is built, so we have to enter the details in these fields to send the WhatsApp message. So first of all, we have to enter the recipient mobile number. On which number you want to send the message? I want to send the message to the number which I have received in my response. That means the number of the lead. So we are going to directly insert the number like this from my previous step. As we have done that, it is being mapped. But in the note, it is saying that you have to enter the mobile number along with a country code, but you do not have to use this plus sign. Without plus sign, you have to enter. So we'll have to split the number. We have to remove the plus sign from here. So I'm going to delete this existing number. I will go back. I will click on this plus sign. And here I'm going to select text formatter as my action application, which is going to help me to format the text in my workflows every time. And here, by using the split text action event, I'm going to split the number. So let's map the number over here. And we want to split the number so that we can remove plus sign from this entire number. So the separator will be plus only because I want to split the number with the help of this plus sign. And I want the second part, that means the number which is given after the plus sign. So here I'm going to select the segment as second. I'm going to click on save and send test request button. Here I have received the phone number in the correct format which is required over here in the workflow, and we will quickly map it. Now, as we have mapped this number, it has become dynamic, and with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. This means every time we are going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, automatically this number is going to replace. And in this way, we will automate the entire process, because if we will enter the data manually, it will become static and then it is not going to replace every time. Now we have to select the template name by using which you want to send the messages. So here I will take you back towards my Pabbly Chatflow account, and I will take you towards the template section. And this is the template which I have created with the name as lead message, which I want to use for sending the messages. Also, I've used a variable over here to make the details dynamic. So I want to use the name of each of the lead. When I'm sending the messages, I want to send personalized message along with the name of each of the leads so that the leads could be more connected and engaged to my message and to my business. Therefore, I've used a variable over here. In a similar manner, you can also very easily create templates and use variables, as many variables as you want, to make the data dynamic, to customize your template according to your choice. Because I have used variable over here, so according to every new lead, the name is going to replace. Alright, my template is also approved. You can create the template very easily by clicking on this add new template button. We have also created videos to how to create the template. So I'm going to show you very quickly. We have to select the category of the template. We have to provide the name of the template like this. And you have to provide the language by using which you want to send the messages. Then you will select the template type, the header of the message, the actual content, footer, if you want to use any interactive actions, and then you will submit the template. Okay, now I will go back. The name of my template is lead message, as you know. So I'm going to select the same because it is already approved, lead message. And now here we have to provide the variable details. So first of all, here we have the header type already selected as text. I have not used any variable in my header, so I'm going to ignore this header parameter. And also I have not used any media, so I'm going to ignore this media URL and file name. But if you have used media in your template, you have to provide the URL of the media which you want to send and also the file name of that media. Now in the body parameters, we have to provide the values for the variables. And the first variable which I've used is the only variable. And here I've used it for the name, so I'm going to directly map the name, and I'm going to map a first name over here. This will be the value for my variable over here. Okay, now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. The response is captured, and as the response is received, now I'm going to take you towards Pabbly Chatflow to see whether the message is sent on this number or not. And if you're using Pabbly Chatflow, you have an amazing feature, that is inbox, where you can manage the sent and the received messages all at one place. Yes, here we can see that the message is sent, and also we have the status of the message sent, also it is delivered. When this lead is going to read the message, we will also see the status as read. And also we'll see the two ticks over here, the two blue ticks. Then you can see we have the name of the lead already appeared over here. This means our connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow is absolutely successful, and now our objective is to receive the WhatsApp message to ourselves as well as notification. For that, I'm going to use another template. So let's click on this add action step button once again, or else we'll just shorten the steps. I'm going to delete this existing step. I'll go back, I'll clone this step quickly because everything is going to be same. We just have to change the template. Okay, the connection is built already. We just have to change the template name. So this is the message lead alert which I want to use in order to get the messages of the lead. So I'm going to select the same template name, lead alert. And here I'm going to just change the body parameters. So the body parameter for the lead name is this. Here I'm going to map the full name. We have the email, and here we have the third variable for the phone number. So I have mapped the phone number over here. So these are the body parameters. Because I've used 3 variables in my template, I'm going to receive the details of my lead. Now I'm going to quickly click on save and send test request button, and we have received the response. When I'm going to take you back towards inbox, here you can see that the message is sent. So now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I will show you that whether I've received this message or not as lead alert. And here you can see that I have received the message, and as I've read this message, I'm going to take you back towards inbox, and you can see that we have the status changed to red and we have the 2 ticks. This means our connection is absolutely successful between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow. First action is for sending the messages. So here I'm going to rename it and I'm going to make so that it will be clear to us. And the second one is for receiving or getting the messages. So I'm going to rename it as this. Get message, send message and get message. So our workflow is successfully created. So our automation is set up, and now every time we are going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, a message will be sent to that lead informing them about our business, about our services, providing them discount codes, whatever you want. Also, we are receiving the details of the lead automatically as instant notification on our WhatsApp. All this is possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow very easily, and we have set up this automation without any coding or programming skills, as you know, with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I hope the automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.